Clayi wig. This is like an auburn hair color, but of course y'all know I'm gonna leave all the specs down in the description bar below. It is a frontal, it is transparent lace, and it's 22 inches. And yeah, it's a natural blowout texture, so it's like a kinky curly kind of texture, and it's giving very much. I dyed my hair and blew it out. I dyed my hair and blew it out and did some bantu knots. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so as I mentioned, the hair came from Klaiyi. I'm gonna leave all the specs in the description bar below. They sent me some goodies. It was a robe, hair tie, wig cap, all that good stuff. So the wig came with 3 combs in it. I did take the 2 in the front out and left the one in the back in. Had the lace in the back, lace in the front, you know, came pre-plucked, small knots. So I'm just gonna show y'all me plucking. I did very little plucking because it came pre-plucked already, and I apologize now for not using a white towel so y'all can see the hairline better. Child, I don't know what I was thinking. I accidentally done cut my dang on wig head, so you know it's a little cut. Anyways, I just went over the hairline, plucking, and then I pulled the little baby hair section back and then plucked a little bit of that, and that was pretty much it. So I'm parting and plucking a perfect middle part, and after I do that, I'm going to start with the installation process, which I'm doing my ball cap method off camera, but I'm gonna come and show y'all when I'm cutting the excess cap off and putting the makeup on. I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. I normally use the Kiss makeup, but I didn't have it on hand at the moment. I use alcohol to wipe off the excess makeup they got on my skin. Normally, I would have put the makeup on before I cut the extra cap off. I don't know why I did it that way. That was an accident. But anyways, I'm parting out some of the hair so that I can get the hairline of the wig to match my hairline better. And also the wig was too small, like the frontal didn't fit from ear to ear on me. So if you're a big head girl, keep that in mind. I'm not sure if they have different size wigs, but if they do, size up. But yeah, I'm cutting off the little extra, and when I cut this off, it made it so that I could stretch the wig down further.
Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the boat, but if you so for real, you could get wet, but not too much.
So this is a glueless wig install. I am using my boho liquid gold. So I'm just putting it on, and I'm gonna put it on in 3 different sections and stick the wig down as I go along. I already cut off the lace, as you all can see, with the eyebrow razor.
Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out here with me. We could be always in heat.
Okay, so now that I got the wig completely stuck down, I'm gonna part out my baby hair and my little sideburns.
Yeah.
and I'm using the Eben lace, whatever, I don't know, it's like a lace spray, and I'm putting it on my finger, then I'm putting it on the lace part on my wig. I did it this way. I saw this little hack on TikTok, but yeah, I did it this way because I noticed when I was spraying it directly on that it was making the edges part of my wig hard, and my baby hair wasn't doing what I needed them to do. I am defining my part with some of that LA Girl Pro Conceal, and then I'm spraying the part to seal that makeup in with some spritz, and then I'm using that same makeup with the makeup brush that I did my cap with, and I'm putting that makeup around my edges to get that lace to blend a little bit better, because this is transparent lace, not HD lace, which I'm not saying nothing negative about transparent lace. I actually like it because it's thicker than HD lace, which some people don't like thick lace. It's not thick, it's just thicker than the HD, so it doesn't rip easily like how the HD lace rip. If you know you used HD lace before, you know that it will rip, or you could tear holes in it really easily. So the transparent lace is good for that reason. So yeah, now I'm doing my baby hair. I've curled them using my little mini flat iron. I'm putting some mousse on them, and I'm just slicking them into place. And then I'm going to put my edge band on and let it set after I finish slicking them down.
Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been giving out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. Yo, living in doubt could be the death for you. It's only a few that'll rep for you, and rarely ones that'll step to you and let you know where you wrong at instead of letting you ride away in your soul. Rather be whole and pure in my spirit. This life never ending until you near it. A lot of shit to bear with. Sometimes you don't wanna share it, but don't keep it in cause you fear it. It's an epidemic sound, and you can see right where I'm headed. I'm elevated, oh yeah. We was waiting, oh yeah, to make a statement, it's clear. The way them boys persevere. Yo, we taking the stairs. Don't let them get in our air. They go watch, I'ma stare. Tell them pull up a chair. God gon' answer our prayers. Living now. They told me dreams come true once you live it down.
Okay, so now I'm starting the styling process. So I did decide to do this little half up, half down with the two little bang pieces in the front. I'm gonna just tell y'all now, I didn't really care for the outcome of the hairstyle like I thought that I would. So I did end up going with the whole, wand curled head look at the end. But I did want to still show y'all this hairstyle just in case y'all liked it and want to try it.
I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been giving out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me working 9 to 5 just to make it out. And now the dark nights got me needing mouth to mouth. Resuscitate my dreams, tell me what it's all about. I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me show a little skin just to make it out. They told me grind until I doubt, till I reach the clouds. Excuse me a little moment while I break out. Never let them take me out.
Okay, so once I got my hair in a ponytail, I am going to take a little piece of the hair to wrap around so that you don't see that black ponytail holder. I normally wouldn't mind if the hair was black, but since the hair is colored, I thought it looked kind of tacky to be able to see that. So I went ahead and wrapped a piece of hair around. And then I'm going to go ahead and wand curl the rest of my hair and wand curl the ponytail. If you was to do this style, you don't have to do the top part as a bun. You can actually leave it down as a ponytail, or you could do it as a bun, or it don't matter. You could pretty much style this hair however you would style your natural hair if you had it just blown out.
It don't mean that much to me. We ain't gotta worry about it. Just focus your energy. We'll build our whole world around it. It don't mean that much to me.
So these are the final results of the half up, half down with the bun. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. Leave some questions. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. And also, I'll have pictures at the end of how I had it with it all being down. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.